If you experience heartburn, you know the feeling well. A slight hiccup followed by a burning sensation in your chest and throat. It may be triggered by the foods you eat, particularly spicy, fatty, or acidic foods. Or perhaps you have gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD, a chronic condition with many potential causes. We'll go over some quick tips to get rid of heartburn. Loosen clothing. Heartburn happens when the content of your stomach rise up in your esophagus, where stomach acids can burn the tissue. In some cases, you might be having an episode of heartburn because tight clothing is compressing your stomach. If that's the case, the first thing you do is loosen your belt or your pants, dress, or whatever else is holding you tight. Stand up straight. Your posture can also contribute to heartburn. If you're sitting or laying down, try standing up. If you're already standing, try standing up more straight. An upright posture puts less pressure on your lower esophageal sphincter (LES). Your LES is a ring of muscle that helps stop stomach acid from rising into your esophagus. Elevate your upper body. Laying down can make heartburn worse. When it comes time for bed, adjust your sleeping surface to raise your upper body. Lifting your head with extra pillows isn't usually enough. Instead, the goal is to elevate your body from the waist up. If you have an adjustable bed, set it at a suitable angle to provide relief. If your bed isn't adjustable, you can change the angle of your sleeping surface by using a wedge pillow. Mix baking soda with water. You might have a heartburn remedy at hand in your kitchen without even knowing it. Baking soda can calm some episodes of heartburn by neutralizing your stomach acid. To do this, dissolve a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water and drink it slowly. In fact, you should drink everything slowly when you have a heartburn. Try ginger. Ginger has been used as a folk remedy for heartburn for centuries. Ginger can help relieve trusted sources' nausea, so some believe it may be worth trying for heartburn too. Consider adding grated or diced ginger root to your favorite stir-fry recipes, soups, and other foods. To make ginger tea, steep raw ginger root, dried ginger root, or ginger tea bags in boiling water. It's probably best to avoid ginger ale though. Carbonated beverages are a common heartburn trigger, and most brands of ginger ale are made with artificial flavoring rather than the real thing. Take licorice supplements. Licorice root is another folk remedy that's been used to treat heartburn. It's believed that it might help increase the mucus coating of your esophageal lining, which may protect your esophagus from damage caused by stomach acid. Deglutisated licorice (DGL) is a supplement that contains licorice that's been processed to remove much of its glycyrrhizin compound that can cause adverse side effects. Eating too much licorice or DGL may raise your blood pressure, sugar, lower your potassium levels, and interfere with certain medications. Always talk to your doctor before taking licorice or DGL supplements. Sip apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is another home remedy that some people use to treat heartburn, believing that it may neutralize stomach acid. One researcher suggested that drinking diluted apple cider vinegar after a meal may help elevate heartburn for some people. However, these effects didn't reach the level of statistical significance, so more research is needed. If you decide to try this remedy, dilute the apple cider vinegar with water and drink it after your meal. Chew gum. Chewing gum for half an hour after meals may also help reduce heartburn. Chewing gum stimulates saliva production and swallowing. This might help dilute and clear stomach acid from your esophagus. Avoid cigarette smoke. You probably already know that smoking is bad for your health. But did you know that smoking can contribute to heartburn? If you are a smoker and you get an attack of heartburn, don't light up. Smoking might be a go-to coping strategy when you are uncomfortable, but it's not going to make that heartburn feeling go away. When heartburn hits, many over-the-counter treatments, home remedies, and lifestyle adjustments may provide relief. Adjusting your daily habits can also help prevent heartburn symptoms from developing in the first place. For example, try to avoid common heartburn triggers such as fatty and spicy food. Eat at least 3 hours before bedtime. Avoid laying down after eating. Maintain a healthy weight. If you experience heartburn more than 2 or 3 weeks, talk to your doctor. In some cases, they might prescribe medications or other treatments. The Cares and Cures team want you and those close to you to live a healthy, happy life. Your health is a valuable thing. Look after your body and your mind so that you can live your life to the fullest. Remember, you only get one. Please share this with your friends and family and do let us know what do you think in the comments below. This video is solely for informational purposes. Do not self-diagnose or self-medicate, and in all cases, consult a certified healthcare professional before using any information presented in this video. The editorial report does not guarantee any result and does not bear any responsibility for any harm that may result from using the information provided in this video.